a place keeps lingering in my thoughts. Actually, I am well aware that it is there that calls to me. Yunnan, China. This time, I still went with the route from Lijiang Old Town to Feilai Temple in Lijiang. This time, I also wanted to see for myself the state of glacial melt on Yulong Snow Mountain and Meili Snow Mountain. For the first stop of my journey, I came to Lijiang Old Town in Yunnan. Lijiang Old Town has a history of over 800 years dating back to the late 13th century. This ancient city boasts Nongba culture, the treasured traditional culture of the NiSi people. The attire, language, food, traditions, and architecture of the ethnic minorities here are very different from those of other ethnic groups in China. They are truly distinctive. I couldn't wait to start shooting right after arriving in Lijiang ancient town. Like traditional dwellings in both southern and northern China, the ancient residences in Lijiang feature courtyard style, laid out with a south-facing main house and side chambers on both sides. Yet, in terms of ornamentation, structure, and shape, the unique features of these ancient houses are striking at first sight. Despite its differences, they also share many similarities. Throughout its long historical development, the traditional dwellings of Lijiang's ancient town adopted a fundamental wooden structural systems and spatial layouts from the architectural traditions of the Central Plains, rather than being a mere copy. Lijiang's tourism revolves around the ancient town as its core, extending outward to the surrounding snow-capped mountains, lakes, and groups of traditional villages. With its rich tourism resources, it has become a famous tourist attraction and vacation destination in China. Seen from above, Lijiang is a beautiful city, situated at the base of the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. Today, I got up early and came to the Black Dragon Pool Park in Lijiang City, just to secure a good photography spot before sunrise. Just as dawn was breaking, this small area was already packed with people. Some were photography enthusiasts, like myself, and others were visitors there to admire the views. At this moment, I had to pay attention to the people around me while shooting, to avoid having my camera and tripod squeezed and knocked into the water. That's because I'd already had such a harrowing experience once before, while photographing the corner tower of Beijing's Forbidden City. See, this modest covered bridge is our best photography spot. Hailandan Park is right in the center of Lijiang City, making it very convenient for sightseeing and photography, with easy transportation access. Located very close to Lijiang ancient town in the city center, it is a must-visit spot in Lijiang. Hailandan Park is more than just a park. It is an ancient architectural museum. The park features Qing Dynasty ancient buildings, including the Wufeng Tower, Deyu Tower, Langshan Temple, Soquet Stone Arch Bridge, and Yuan Pavilion. Hailandan Park is more than just a park or an ancient architectural museum. It is also a perfect photography spot where you can capture the nearby ancient buildings and the distant snow-capped mountains together in one shot. Looking down from above, Hailandan Park is actually quite small, which is precisely why it is called a pool rather than a lake. Yet, it has become a renowned attraction that draws both photography lovers and tourists alike. As I left Black Dragon Pool Park, I felt a hint of regret. I paid close attention to the glaciers on Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, and there were noticeably fewer than when I was here 8 years ago. After resting at the hotel at noon, I went to Lijiang Old Town in the afternoon to take street photos. Then, I want to climb to the highest point of the Old Town Lion Hill and the Wanggu Pavilion on it to capture a panoramic view of Lijiang Old Town. It is now February 2026, and in less than half a month, China's Spring Festival will become. So this popular tourist attraction has far fewer visitors than usual, which is exactly the result I wanted. Because there are fewer people, it makes it easier for me to capture the scenes I want. I enjoy photographing carefully designed, modern urban architecture, and I have an even greater preference for capturing China's poetic ancient buildings. China is a country with a large population. The number of visitors at popular tourist attractions is unimaginable to those who have never been to China, let alone being able to focus on taking photos. I enjoy photographing carefully designed, modern urban architecture, and I have an even greater preference for capturing China's poetic ancient buildings. I believe that the historical changes, cultural development, and artistic heritage embodied in ancient architecture are more time-honored and profoundly charming than those found in modern architecture. Thus, an idea came to me to create a Chinese ancient architecture segment on my channel, through which I can showcase the unique charm of China's ancient architecture in my future videos. Stay tuned.